Hello friends, online lecture series of object oriented programming language. The S&D College of Engineering and Research Center, Yevla, Department of Computer Engineering. Myself Professor Saukar Dhanashri, Department of Computer Engineering. Subject Object Oriented Programming, Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object Oriented Programming. Topic will be covered up in this lecture: Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Paradigm. Topic is Constructor. A constructor is a special method that is automatically called when an object is a class is created. To create a constructor, use the same name as the class, followed by parentheses. Constructor doesn't have a return type. One can pass parameter to the constructor. Constructors are of different types. First, default constructor and parameterized constructor and copy constructor. The constructor will be defined. First, class. Defined class is my class. Access specifier. My class is constructor. Print hello world. Main integer main my class my object. Object of my class will call the constructor and return 0. Next topic is Destructor. A destructor is a member function that is invoked automatically when the object goes out of the scope or is explicitly destroyed. A destructor has the same name as the class, preceded by a tilde operator. For example, the destructor for class string is declare. The define of destructor example class and class name is demo. Access specifier integer, data type are integer, number 1, number 2, access specifier public, and destructor will be demo. Int num1 and int num2. Print the inside constructor. Num1 equal to n1 and num2 equal to n2. Destructor will be called and print inside destructor. Integer main function demo object will be created num1 and num2 and return value. Types of constructor: default constructor, parameterized constructor, and copy constructor. First, default constructor is called with no argument. For example, class name, access specifier, my class is default constructor, and print hello world integer main function. My class default constructor and object will be parameterized constructor. It accepts a specific number of parameters to initialize data members of a class with distinct values. With a parameterized constructor for a class, one must be provide initial value as arguments, otherwise the compiler report an error. The parameter constructor is the constructor is called with argument. Next, copy constructor. The copy constructor are used to create new object as a copy of existing object. A copy constructor has the following general prototype: class name, construct, class name, and old object. The copy constructor is the example will be copy constructor. Thank you friends for watching this video.